Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to a technician.
We have this Jeep Cherokee Laredo, Grand Cherokee, Laredo. We have this intermittent problem. Let me see if it's gonna do it. Okay. We have a problem with this. Start raining. With this Cherokee. Tenemos un problema con esta Cherokee 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. A veces no prende. Ya empezó a llover. A veces no prende cuando la ponemos en el park. Sometimes when the owner put the Jeep in park, it doesn't want to start. Right now it runs, it cranks. See? Sometimes it doesn't want to crank. Let me see. I'm gonna move this one. Right there, it's raining. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in park. Right there. I'm gonna turn the key off. Puse la camioneta en velocidad y puse otra vez en park el carro, la palanca. Vamos a ver si prende. Let's see if it starts, if it cranks. Yeah, it's cranking. Okay, so this is an intermittent problem with this truck. See, right now, there's it won't crank. See, right there, it's in park. Ahí la tenemos en la P de parking, de parqueada. Y no prende. See, that's the problem right there. We got it in park and it doesn't crank. But if you do this, like if you put it in neutral, see, right there I put it in neutral. Si la pones en neutral y prende, right there, we got a problem with the circuit. Okay, let me put it in park again. Let me start the engine. Turn it off and start the engine. Vamos a prenderla otra vez. See, and it won't crank. Okay, so we got a problem. Here's the diagram. Here's the diagram. Here's the circuit. It's backwards. Right there. See? That's the neutral switch. Circuit. This one is not making good contact. Este no está haciendo buen contacto. So no le está mandando señal aquí a la computer. See? This one is not sending because right here, this one is not switching or closing the circuit. See? Right here. Este cable no está cerrando el circuito, o no le está mandando señal aquí para que prenda la camioneta. Vamos a cambiar ese sensor. Ya checamos ahí. Vamos a poner el sensor. Okay, so let's put this sensor. We got the sensor right here, and this I get this one through the dealer only. Right there's the number. Agarré de la agencia nada más, no lo tuvo nadie más en las otras tiendas. I couldn't get it aftermarket, so I have to order it through the dealer. See, so that's the part number. I don't see any other part number right here. It only says the sending label. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna install it. This is the switch. It goes on the outside of the transmission, on the left side, left rear, like left rear side of the transmission. See? And this is the switch that it sends the signal for the ground to the parking. See? So I'm gonna replace this, and then we'll see if it's still doing the same thing. I don't think so. This is the problem. Okay, vamos a cambiar porque este es el problema. Va afuera, en el lado izquierdo, atrás de la transmisión. See, so you'll see where it goes. Let's replace it. I'm gonna put some I don't know if I need to put some, but let me see if I can put some Teflon tape right here. No sé si puedo ponerle aquí cinta, porque si no, no va a ser tierra, y este necesita ir haciendo tierra. Si so vamos a quitarlo. Let's replace it. Another thing I want to show you, it's when I push this one, right now it doesn't crank at all. Nothing. Ahorita no prende, pero les voy a enseñar. Esto, ven, ahí está, ¿ves? See, this one is not making good contact. So when you move the lever, it makes contact. See, right there. See? So let's replace the sensor. Vamos reemplazando el sensor. Okay. Let me put the camera over here so you can see. And right here, it's the sensor. See? Barely can see. Right there. This one is the sensor. ¿Sí? Aquí tenemos el sensor en esta parte. Este es el que está fallando, no le avienta. Let me remove the connector. Let's pull the connector out of here. Right there. See what happens with this one? It's leaking oil. It's passing oil through here. Este está pasando aceite. Se rompió el sensor y se dañó el circuito adentro. So it damaged the circuit inside, so it get damaged. I'm gonna remove that sensor. I'm gonna use this socket. This socket is 1 1/16. This one is the 1 1/16. This sensor, this socket. I'm gonna use it right here, but it's got this bolt on the way. Tiene este tornillo, lo voy a tener que sacar tantito porque no entra. Este es el dado que usamos para el bulbo del aceite. This is the same socket we used to remove the oil sending switch. See? So let me get this one off a little bit, because right here is the bolt. It's hitting this part. Get this one out a little bit. Right there is good. Now let me remove the sensor.
Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Third shield technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Right there. Oh, that's good. See this one, it looks like it's wet inside. So I think it's passing oil through here. See? This only sends ground to this, to the computer. Okay, let's put the new one. Estamos poniendo el nuevo. Este sensor le manda tierra a la computadora. Okay, right there. Now let's connect the connector. I'm gonna clean it. See? Okay, let's connect the sensor. This one doesn't have a position, like it could be this way or the other way. It doesn't have a guide. It just needs to be connected right there. No tiene una posición o una forma específica que vaya, nada más que conecte, puede quedar así o así. El conector este nada más manda a tierra. Okay, so let's check. We got it on. Let's check it out. Ya está puesto, vamos a checar. Let's check it out. Let me turn the key on and move this one to the back and then put it in park. Right there. It starts. Okay. Let me do it again. Right there.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to a technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance.
It's working
They are
now.
AC certified and in full computerized diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS.
The sensor wasn't making
It's Gabriel
good
Auto
contact.
Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to a technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto
Right there, as
Technician
you
in
can see.
Laguna Heights.
Yep. Okay, so it's working now. See? It's working. I have this one on because I'm moving this one and I don't want the vehicle to roll. Si tengo el handbrake, el freno de mano puesto, no quiero que. See, right there, it's working. Yep. Right there. So we finish with this vehicle, and thank you for watching. And if you like to subscribe to my channel. Gracias por ver el video. Ya terminamos esta camioneta, y si gustan suscribirse a mi canal, suscríbanse. Y si les gustó el video también y si les sirvió, pues pónganle un me gusta para que YouTube lo pueda seguir poniendo a otras personas como ustedes. ¿Sí? Put a like on the video if you want, so other people like you can see if they can fix their problem on their vehicle. Sometimes if you don't put a like, or if you don't put a like on the videos, they YouTube they put it down. So put a like on the video if you want, and that's for other people, not for me. For other people, make the favor for other people. See, because I already make my money, like I said on other videos, and I'm just doing this video just to help you and help another people like you. See, so depends on you if YouTube put it up or put it down. If you like it, YouTube is gonna put the videos up. If you don't like it, or if you dislike it, either way, if you like it or dislike it, YouTube moves it. But if you do nothing, YouTube do nothing. So depends on you if other people could find this video. Not me, like I said, I already make my money, and this is just a courtesy for you. Esta es solo una cortesía. Como les digo, si ustedes ponen un me gusta al video, YouTube lo va a poner más para arriba. o si le ponen un no me gusta, pues también lo mueve YouTube. Pero si no hacen ni un movimiento que le pongan me gusta al video, pues el video no es visible para muchas personas, como ustedes que buscaron este video. Sí, si ustedes le ponen un me gusta al video, YouTube lo va a mover, y otras personas así como ustedes lo va a ver. Depende de ustedes, que ustedes quieran que otra persona mire mis videos. Sí, yo, como les digo, ya hice mi billetito aquí, ya lo puse, nada más lo pongo por cortesía, para que ustedes, si tienen el mismo problema en su carro, pues tal vez les pueda resolver. Muchas gracias por ver los videos en mi canal, por suscribirse, y pues ahí nos vemos. See you later. Thank you for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.
Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.